Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. Musk's new nickname, the fall of Tesla shares and the rise of Dogecoin. Elon Musk once again managed to surprise his followers on social networks. This time, by changing his Twitter handle, New York Stock Exchange TWTR, to Lord Edge and indicating his location as Trollheim. So far, the CEO of Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, has offered no explanation for the change. According to Moneycontrol.com, users noticed the change amidst the confusion anyway. And Shibatoshi Nakamoto, one of the creators of the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, even explained this nickname change in his own way as an anagram for Elder Doge, that is, Elder Doge, referring to the dog meme that inspired him to create Dogecoin. That doesn't mean it was intentional, but it's actually an anagram, Nakamoto said. While Twitter users are wondering if there is a token called Lord Edge, other tokens, in particular, dogelonmars, One Doge, Dogeman, Red Doge, or Dogebbing, have gone up, as well as other cryptocurrencies supported by Musk, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The backdrop for this was a poll launched by Musk among more than 62 million of his Twitter followers, about whether he should sell 10% of his shares in Tesla amid pressure from Washington to increase taxes on billionaires like him. But the poll sent Tesla's stock down ahead of the market opening today. And second news today, dogelonmars price prediction 2022. If you have been in the crypto corridors for a while, you can't help noticing the similarity of dogelonmars with Doge and Elon Musk. Maybe it's not straightforward, but there is a connection. Dogelonmars ticker symbol, Elon, says as much about the association. The naming masterstroke captures the attention of meme coin enthusiasts. Dogelonmars is a meme coin that seeks to reciprocate the success of Dogecoin. It then loops in on Elon Musk, the lord of the meme coins. Elon Musk's tweets on virtual currencies significantly affect the crypto market. Essentially, possible moment, certain parties offered amendments to micro-regulation on markets in cryptosats that would ban proof-of-work consensus protocols, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular blockchains and cryptosats in Europe, issuing an ultimatum to the rest of Parliament. Accept our Bitcoin ban or we will oppose the entire MiCA package, one of the main players in the crypto industry said. Ethereum, the second largest cryptosat by market capitalization, aims to move to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which does not require energy-intensive mining, but critics argue it's more centralized and less secure. The European Parliament Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, will vote on MiCA on Monday, March 14. However, according to Patrick Hansen, head of strategy and growth at Unstoppable Finance, a developer of a DeFi wallet, the MEPs will vote on two suggestions and one of them doesn't plan a ban. There seems to be a very thin majority against the ban right now, but to be determined, Hansen said. As reported earlier this month, a draft of MiCA that was first proposed by the European Commission in September 2020 was revised to remove language that proposed a ban on POW-based cryptosats. However, even in the ECON votes for the ban on these cryptosats and the European Parliament EP later confirms this, long and complicated negotiations are expected among the EP, the European Commission, and the EU member states. It might take years until MiCA comes into force. Also, Lorenzo Vallecchi, an energy sector-focused journalist, opined that, if the ban is approved, it basically says POW miners have to respect specific emission standards, same as for the car industry, for instance. While the shared draft also seemingly says that small-scale mining operations will be exempt from these standards, the Commission will decide what small-scale means within 6 months after the approval of the directive. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon course prediction. 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction. 2027 Dogelon will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00000600 to $0.00000709 for 2027.